What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick intro to C++. Let's jump right in. First let's talk about what is C++. C++ is an object-oriented language made for system programming, embedded, and other purposes. In fact, most of Windows 10 was made in C++. Moving on, let's get our tools set up. If you use Linux, the setup process is quite simple. Go to the terminal and type in sudo apt install build essential. In Mac, open the terminal and type in GCC. You will automatically be prompted to install the tools. On Windows, install Visual Studio C++. Alright, so once you've got the tools installed, create a file ending with .cpp and open it up in your text editor of choice. Alright, so let's look at a basic C++ program. This code prints hello world to the console. In the code, we see at the very top, include IO stream. This lets the program use system input-output streams, which is how it prints to the console. Then, we have the main function, where our main code goes. In the main function, we can see std cout hello world, and then -n. Let's break this down. std cout hello world prints hello world to the console, and the -n adds a new line to the output. Now stop and think, how could I print my own name? As you can see, anything putting quotes after std cout gets printed to the terminal. To chain on other strings, you can add the arrows and whatever text you want. Now let's talk variables. Variables are like little boxes of data. Variables can have different data types, such as int, string, bool, char, and float. To declare a variable in C++, do this. As you can see, we have the data type first, followed by the variable name, and then an equal sign, and then the value. To access this data, you can simply use the name. Let's print out a variable. After a variable is created, you can reassign it using the name. There are special operations you can do with specific types of variables. You could add an int to int, float to float, and many other operations. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I ain't gotta worry, I don't have to stress, I don't have to hurry. You can try your best, but you'll never hurt me. No, 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 no. When I'm feeling low, Lord, you take me higher. When I'm in the darkness, Lord, you make it brighter. How is it that every problem feels so small?